It's unfortunate that most people at some point in their life will end up in an auto accident, whether it be their fault or the fault of another party. But the reality is, anytime you're in an auto accident, your body is put under a tremendous amount of stress and oftentimes can lead to injury. Now, you don't have to feel the pain or the effects of that accident right away. In fact, in California, the statute of limitations to file a claim for an injury due to an auto-related accident is 2 years. And that's because oftentimes the problems or the pain doesn't surface until weeks, months, or oftentimes many years down the line. But the reality is, if you're in an auto accident and there's a collision between two cars, the same force that bent and pushed those cars around was absorbed by your body. In fact, there's a Yale study, a study out of the Yale University, that says if you're in an auto accident and hit by another car going as low as 8.2 miles per hour, the occupants in the car could potentially or have suffered significant stress to their spine. So if you're ever in an auto accident, the best thing that you can do is seek treatment or seek an evaluation for potential injuries, whether you feel them now or something that could surface down the line. We here at Premier Chiropractic have extensive knowledge and extensive experience dealing with auto accidents. So if you are ever in need, please reach out and let us help you. And we can give you advice on legal counsel or whatever it is that you might need to make sure that you're not suffering from an unfortunate event either today, tomorrow, or down the line. So thanks for tuning in. We'll talk to you next time.